Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to talk to you about mental health. So, we do a lot of workout, we take care of our physical health, but we always fail to take care of our mental health. And mental health is extremely important. It is very, very important. We need to feed our brain like our body needs that nutrition. Similarly, our brain also needs that nutrition or that particular exercise, so that we can be stress free in this during these times. So first, let's talk about what are the happy hormones. So we have this happy hormones. If you can see, happy hormones are like obviously dopamine, endorphin, oxytocin. So these are the happy hormones that our brain functions with. So when these happy hormones drop, then what usually happens is, we get into stress, or we get into depression, or xyz, any kind of mental illness. So what we can do is we need to really do something, so that we can keep these hormones in a balanced way. And when these hormones are in a balanced way, then obviously we function better, we are much more stress free, we have a better life and very good relationships. So that is what is very, very important. So today I'm going to talk to you about three important things that I really got and that really helped me. It is one of the Himalaya products that I really got. First is the Mented, which I got. Another is the Brahmi, which I got. And the third one, which I really got, is Ashwagandha. These three things I got, obviously. And these are the mental health or mental wellness or mental nutrition things which I got for myself. So firstly, let me tell you, I am not a professional doctor. I personally use this and I have got benefited from these products that I've used. And I recommend to a few group of people, who are going through a very stressful life. They can really find ease at using these products. So yeah, let's talk about these products. So Himalaya Mented is a very good drug. It's a herbal drug with absolutely no side effects. So it has ashwagandha, and it has winter pennywort, and it also has brahmi. So what exactly it does, it reduces the stress level. It is amazing to fight depression. It helps to balance out the all the happy hormones. The degeneration of the hormones, it helps to balance that out. It gives strength to the nervous system. It helps you to get better sleep. So, and also, it removes a lot of tension. And most important thing, it nourishes your nervous system, which is very, 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 very important, for your mental health. I would not recommend you to take this tablet without doctor's prescription. I've been using this tablet, and I have realized that after I have this tablet, I do get a very good sleep. And I do have a very relaxed, I feel very relaxed when I take this tablet. I usually take this tablet once a day or twice a day. You can take it, and you need to, I think, take this tablet at least for 1 or 2 months to see the result. And it also helps with a lot of things, the daily stress that we deal with, especially in this quarantine time or in daily life. And if you don't want to take medication, for example, like you don't want to get into drugs, or that, or whatever medication, and this is a good byproduct to use it. And of course, I would not recommend you to stop any medication and use herbal medicine without the proper prescription of the doctor. But yeah, this is really good. You should really use it, and it has absolutely no side effects at all. So the next tablet is ashwagandha. So ashwagandha tablet is obviously again from Himalaya drug. Ashwagandha, we all know, it is actually used for stamina, um, also for energy level, but it also helps to ease out the stress hormone, which is called crystal. The stress hormone, it balances, it suppresses the stress or hormone ashwagandha. Most importantly, it also helps you with sleep. It is amazing for skin, overall well-being. You can have ashwagandha. It is absolutely, is very, very good. So the next is the Brahmi syrup. You can also get in tablet form. So the Brahmi syrup is again is excellent for learning, thinking capability. It reduces the stress hormones, which is called cortisol, and it helps you to have that sharp memory. It again nourishes all the brain tissues. It is excellent to control the blood sugar level of your thing. It relaxes you, and the most important thing which it does, it helps to prevent the degeneration of your nervous system, and this is really, really good. So you can get it in syrup form, and you can also give it to the kids as a brain tonic, and you can use it for yourself. And yeah, it is really, really good. I highly recommend this, to use this product. To use this product, you don't need doctor's prescription. You can use it yourself, and it will be very, very good. I personally got benefit from it, and that's why I'm sharing with you people. So yeah, these are the three things. One is the mented, another is the ashwagandha, another is the brahmi, which is excellent for mental health. So yeah, so we, I think, need to remember one thing which is really, really important, that we take care of our physical health, but we never take care of our mental health. So combination of this and little bit of yoga or any form of workout will really, really help you, to come out of any stress, will help you to keep balanced. Also, pushing yourself to think positive will also help you to balance out, to give you strength, which is very, very important in these difficult times, or the difficult times coming forward in future. So yeah, so these are the tablets which I use, and I have got benefit, and I'm sharing with you, and that's it. So be happy, be positive, and never lose hope, and be strong. We can fight any battle in this world. Take care, guys. Bye.